guys, it's Claris. Today I have another Polish of the Week episode to share with you all. I'm going to be swatching this green nail polish from Essie. So let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so I prepped my nails by shortening them a little bit and cleaning them off. I'm then going to grab my UNT peel off base coat and apply this to my natural nails. This will allow me to be able to peel off the nail polish next time to make removal easier. Alright guys, so this is the nail polish I'm going to be swatching. It's by Essie and it's called Mojito Madness. I think this kind of color would be best for spring because it's kind of pastel almost, but I think it could also work great for summer or year round. So let's try out this swatch. So one thing I noticed basically immediately was the size of the brush. It is pretty small and I think Essie has since changed to a wider brush, but this one does have a pretty narrow one, and on the thumb I did have to go back for several strokes to cover the whole length. But just amazing coverage in that first coat. This is probably a one coater, but I always like to do at least 2 coats of nail polish for thickness and to make sure that there's no patchiness at all. Essie nail polishes do tend to be more on the pricier side of around $9 a bottle. I haven't really seen much cheaper than that, but the quality on this one is just so good, I'd say it's worth it. I did find the polish very smooth and self-leveling. After that first coat, I'm just going to do a quick go around and clean up any places I spilled. So that is what it looks like after one coat. Beautiful color. Now we're just going to wait a few minutes to do that second coat. Alright, so the polish dried very quickly in just a few minutes. I'm now going to do that second coat. Since this polish is so opaque, it'd be perfect for doing all kinds of different nail art with it. Personally, green isn't one of my go-to colors for my nail art, but after this, which I always have fun with, I do like to decorate the swatch a little bit and then I will post what I do on my Instagram. So I will try to keep you guys updated with what I come up with these. But anyways, that is the color with 2 coats, fully opaque, and I'm going to let this dry really quick for a top coat. Alright, so for top coat, I'm going to be using Super Dry. This one's actually from the dollar store, so it's very affordable. It's not the best, but you can't really beat the price. After that has dried in a couple of minutes, I'm going to grab my cuticle oil. Here I'm using jojoba oil, and I'm just massaging that into all the cuticles. Alright guys, so there is the completed swatch of Mojito Madness on all my nails. I love the quality of this polish, and I think the color is just perfect for summer. Well, that is it for today. I do have a whole playlist of my Polish of the Week episodes put together, and you can find that on my channel in the upper right corner of your screen, and I'll also have that link below in my description. Subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and make sure you have the notification bell on for my videos once a week on Wednesdays. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I hope to see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for staying all the way to the end and watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and have a magical day.